What's going on YouTube? Earn $25 again and again. So this is going to be some easy make money online videos. So make sure you watch this all the way to the end. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Andre. I talk about how to make money online affiliate marketing. So I want you to stop what you're doing right now. Pay close attention because I'm going to show you how to make some easy money. I'm going to walk you through the process. I'm going to show you how to set it up so that way you can get started right away. So it's going to be a step-by-step process. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end. So like, subscribe if you like to get some more make money online videos because it does help the channel and I can keep producing content for you. If it's your first time here, let me know in the comments where you're watching this from. For my regulars, happy to be here. It's always good to have you back on another great video. So I don't want to take up too much of your time. I'm going to jump into this right away. So let's do this. So as mentioned before, this is indeed my YouTube channel. So make sure you come through here. I make a ton of videos. And if you're looking for my #1 recommendation, the way how I make money online, check out the first link in the description. I'll just send that over to you right away so you can get started. So as mentioned, I'm going to walk you through the process because there's a ton of videos online. People always want to learn how to make money. And most of these people, they just give you like half information. They will tell you, okay, here's the website, what to do, but they don't really go into details. Now I'm going to go more in depth and more into details. So make sure you stay with me, stick around, and let me know, as I told you before, in the comments where you're watching this from. So that way I can go and search for the best possible legitimate website that's going to work in whatever country that you're watching this, because I know people from all over the world are subscribed to this channel. And if you're not a part of the community section, this is the community section. I post questions in here. I ask questions, I ask for feedback, and I post some things that I think will benefit you. So make sure you go to the community section, participate, and give me your feedback or whatever it is, any questions that you have. And make sure you watch this because I'm going to start to do some live videos. I'm going to go more in depth of like affiliate marketing. So if some of you like affiliate marketing, I'm just going to go into details and I'm going to start doing some lives in the future, not right now. So just make sure that you subscribe to the channel, turn on your bell notifications every time you be notified. Now, the website that I'm going to share with you is a website that is called Validately. So validately.com is a great website where people get paid to do research and people get paid by moderators, and you can earn up to $25 over and over again. You can make money on this website because I made sure that I do my research. I checked out everything about it. It is legit. They're paying money. So I'm going to show you how it's done. Now, if you look on here, as I told you before, they're paying people money to do research. So you could say this is kind of close to Google. There it is. It just popped up. There's Amazon. There's web. So these are some of the customers that they have. So it's a big company. And these, once you see Google, once you see Amazon, once you see Microsoft or Allstate, you know you're in good hands because this is what this company does. So they go out and they find people just like you, and they will give you user research jobs. So you go online, you do some searches for them, you participate, and you get paid. Now, if you want to take your time and you want to scroll through this website, feel free to do so. But this is like the main section where a company or someone would like to hire them. They will go on here and they will pay them. Now, there's like a tool that you also use where you can go into details. So they're looking for feedback. If you look on here, this is like Amazon. So when you click on Amazon, was it easy to find the actual product? Did you get good reviews? All, little things like that. So it will tell you to use on a desktop or mobile. So the more devices that you have, the better chance you have of making way more money because they're looking for people that can, I would say, basically just have any form of devices. So if you got a watch, if you got a phone, You got a computer, you're all good. So Simple Recruiting, look at this. For a 15-minute session, they're only paying like $15 per participant. Now, this is really cool. And BYO would test participant at no cost. So that is like if someone would want to test it out, they have to pay like $15 to you or somebody else. Now, if you click on here where it says get paid, so stay with me here. Get paid to test, you want to click on where to sign up. Now you could scroll through here where you see the sign up button. Click here to sign up, start taking tests, and you get paid. 3 simple, easy step, easy way how you can make money online. Now click on here where it says sign up. So once you sign up, you're going to create an account. Now you click on the account. So if you got an iPhone, you got an iPad, you have an Android, or whatever device that you have. So for this, I'll go with other, and I'll click next. Okay, so I'm using a Mac. That's what I'm doing. If you got a Windows PC, Chrome, Linux, or other, make sure you select that. Now you can click on here. Wait, let me see if I can click 2. Oh yeah, I could click 2. So I can click on here. I could tell them that, let me just go back for a little bit. I'm just gonna back up for a bit. So sign up, create an account. Do I have an iPhone? No, I have an Android. And I also have other. Boom. I got a Mac and other. Male, female, male. Click next. So these are easy questions just to make sure that you're valid. What year were born? 1984. I'm old people. Yep. Less than what level of education? You can put high school graduate, some college, university. Well, I graduated from high school. After that, I went to a little kind of community college, and then that was it. Click next. Are you full-time, part-time, self-employed, retirement, unemployed, student? Well, self-employed. Most of you can just fill that out. You know the deal. In what industry are you working? I would say information technology. Let me see. Finances, communication services. What? Display some more. There's real estate. It's got to be display additional result. Come on. Give me some more here. Software, technology. Nope. Media, entertainment. Nope. None of that. I haven't seen. But you get the idea. I'm just going to pick one just for the sake of this video. All right? Let me just go with that one. What's your job title? You can go with chief, marketing manager, all the type of stuff. I'm just going to pick one. Green mark. Green mark. I'm just going to click next. Household income, you can put anything here. So if you haven't liked, subscribe, make sure you subscribe. Before I go any further into details, make sure you hit that bell notification. Let me know in the comments where you're watching this from. So let's head back on over. So you can put under 25K, over 20. I go anywhere between here. This is my number, right? Some year it's over here, but I'll just go with this one. It could be this, but I'm just gonna stick with the third. Full name, you can put Andre Miller. Yep. What's your email address? You can put your email address in. All right. I'm just going to do this for enter an email address. All right. Registered account. Now, what are they going to do? You have to test it. Let me see what I got here. Let me go down here for a second. Let's see what I got. Okay. All right. So once you create your account and everything, you can start to do some of the gigs. Now I've done some research and find out they're actually paying. So how to do a test pay. You get anywhere from like $25 for like 30 minutes. That's pretty sweet. So this is like the moderator that answer a lot of questions. So there's like frequently asked questions, and you get paid. You will be paid like within 7 days of your completion. So if you continuously do this, of course, you're going to get paid. Now, as I said before, these things, and I've said into my other videos, that these are websites that can make you some money, but it's not going to be like some life-changing opportunity. You can make money here or there, pay some bills, do whatever you want. Yeah, sure. Probably don't make enough money by the end of the month to pay the bills, but it can give you some money in gas and all that. Now, if you're looking for a way where you can make more passive income and you want to start learning a skill, I keep preaching this over and over again. You have to learn a skill. Now, learning something that's going to help you, create YouTube videos, create a blog, do something, anything that's going to generate you an income while you're at this. Now, most of you are probably afraid of getting on camera. Lean in real quick. Just lean in. Are you leaning? Yeah, listen to me. If you want to get what you want, you got to do things that you've never done before. Just remember that. Got to step outside of your comfort zone. So keep crushing it, keep grinding. I hope you enjoy this video. And you can even make $5 to $10 as well doing some other things on here, where you can earn $25 again and again. You know, easy money making online tactics I just gave you. So make sure you like, subscribe, become a part of the family. Remember, hey, check out the community, man. If you're not a part of the community, man, you're missing out. You're missing out. I post things in here all the time just to, keep you guys engaged and everything. But I'll see you in the next video. Check out the first link in the description for my #1 way of making money online. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.